Hello everybody and welcome back. It's time for the second in my series of slushy 1940s love songs for the 75th anniversary of V-Day. So you have to do a little quick warm-up to get us used to doing lots and lots of sliding around, because there's tons and tons of sliding between notes and all the things that normally I tell you off for doing. So we're just going to go ah. So really enjoy the slide, not ah, but ah. Ready? So now, rather than ah, when you change it to air, so you have to slide down with it open on the air. Going to end up one of those strange facial expressions. Air. Ready? One more. And final one, we're going to do ite. Ite. So slide all the way down with it open. Ite. And then close it when you get to the bottom note. Ite. Ite. Right. Really, really chewy. Ready? Ite. 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 So, top of the day, we're going to do Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. And it's one of these ones, there is an introductory section which doesn't always get done, so you'll know the main tune. That certain night, the night we met. But in the original version, there's a little introductory bit before it. And you get a little piano introduction. And then it's when true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. So go for the top note. When true lovers, long L. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the, and the first slide, so the legends tell. So let's do that bit. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. And then, songbird sing, and a long N on song. Songbird sing, winter turns to spring. So whenever it goes down, you can slide. Songbird sing, winter turns to spring. So let's put that together. So from beginning, from when true lovers. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. Songbird sing, winter turns to spring. And then starts the same, the next little bit. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath a spell. But try and do that, sort of tumbles all the way through it, all in one breath. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath a spell. So let's try that bit. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath a spell. Then the next bit's tricky. So it's, I know such enchantment can be. So getting that last note. I know such enchantment can be. And if you think of the first two notes you sing, I know, the one that's B is right in the middle of them. And if you frown, just on the left-hand side, left eyebrow frown, I know such enchantment can be. Then you'll get it right. So ready, I know such enchantment can be. And then the last bit, 'cause it happened one evening to me. And really enjoy the slide down onto to me. So let's do those couple of bits. I know such enchantment and I know such enchantment can be, 'cause it evening to me. And then we get to the main tune. And the key to it, no hard English final consonants. Please don't go, that certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. It's all really gentle. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. Oh, and just, absolutely besotted, all lovey-dovey. So ready, that certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in a Berkeley square. And again, any opportunity to slide. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and then a nightingale, not a nightingale, and a nightingale sang in a Berkeley square. Then it's the same tune. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Then middle section, different. The moon that lingered over London. So look, let the handbrake off so it rolls away a bit. The moon that lingered over London town. The puzzled moon. Yeah, I know often I tell you off for going moon, but moon, he wore a frown, and a frown. Bit of Debbie Dog about it. The moon that lingered over London town, the puzzled moon, he wore a frown. And same tune. How could he know we two were so in love? And then slightly different here. The hold on a world seemed upside down. And you can really milk that one. Upside down. Then it's back to the first tune. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said good night. Oh, and when you get to the good night, has to sound so sort of winsome. And as we kissed and said good night, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. And there is a second verse, nobody ever does it. And so it gets the little ending bit. Square. I know 'cause I was there. And was there. So really elide them in. Think of a Z. Not was there, but was there. That night in Berkeley Square. And ideally you need, it's one of these lungs of iron one. So ideally don't go that night in Berkeley and breathe before the last one. If you need to sneak a breath, sneak it. That night in So I know it's only after two words, but don't destroy the sense of the words. That night, but ideally, get a really good breath. I know 'cause I was there. That night in Berkeley Square. So lots of support from there, and really hold that long note at the end for as long as you possibly can. So you've got to really overact it. You've got to really throw yourself into it. I've told many of you the story before of me trying to serenade a girl at school when I was in my late teens with a performance of this. But so you really need to. That certain night, the night we met. Oh, lots of that. So all the way through from getting really go for it. When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell, songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. I know such enchantment can be, 'cause it happened one evening to me. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turn and smile at me, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, the puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole dawn above seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley Square. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's song. As ever, please do send me any comments or suggestions. Enjoy the rest of the bank holiday weekend. See you soon.